Oi, meus amores, quanto tempo, hein? Tava sumida. Me desculpem, viu? Porque eu tava dodói. Então, eu resolvi logo começar o vídeo botando a mão na massa, fazendo um faxinão na minha cozinha. Gente, tava precisando. Então, né? Vou deixar vocês aí com o vídeo. Bora lá.
All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night, feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance. I'm about to lose my mind, I'm going crazy. Lately I've been feeling every day's the same. So I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. Cause I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Sitting in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Sitting in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night, feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance. I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. All these empty faces.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come on over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, put the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. All weekend, when did the story begin? We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I'll fill up your plate. Talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay. Leaving, get in the taxi, then we kiss in the backseat. Tell the driver, make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come on over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, put the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. All weekend, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I'll fill up a plate. Talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour, and how your family is doing okay. Leaving, get in the taxi, then we kiss in the backseat. Tell the driver, make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead.
Bom, gente, terminei. Foi assim que ficou aqui na cozinha. Gente, eu dei o grau, tava precisando. Até as paredes foram limpas. Tá tudo ok. Aí por aqui, ó, geladeira limpa. Tá tudo ok. Bom, gente, já que falta muita coisa para eu fazer, eu resolvi dividir esse vídeo. Fazer só o cômodo, que é da cozinha, e eu continuo no próximo vlog a sala e os 2 quartos, que o banheiro já tá ok. Vou continuar, senão o vídeo vai ficar muito grande. Por isso que eu resolvi dividir ele, tá? Eu prometo pra vocês que saindo daqui eu vou aparecer com a mesma roupa no outro vídeo, porque terminando aqui com vocês, eu já vou continuar lá na sala que tá, né, precisando. Senão vai ficar muito grande, tá? Então é isso, meus amores. Eu espero que vocês tenham gostado. Que vocês gostem desse tipo de vídeo. Não se esqueça de curtir para me ajudar na divulgação. E se você não é inscrito, se inscreva aqui no canal para ficar por dentro de todos os vídeos novos. É isso. Um beijo, olha a unha e até o próximo vídeo. Tchau!